A continuing issue for companies is worker classification, whether workers are employees or independent contractors. The determination is a biggie. It's the difference between significant employment taxes, insurance coverage, employee benefits, versus a simple 1099 filing. Generally, a determination of worker classification is based on control. And the IRS lists 3 areas to examine: behavioral, financial, and the relationship of the parties.
And when an IRS makes a determination, Barbara Weltman reminds us about the relief that's available for the employer.
There is possible relief for employment taxes resulting from a misclassification. It's called Section 530 relief, but you won't find it in the tax code. It's Section 530 of the Revenue Act of 1978. To claim Section 530 relief, an employer must have filed Form 1099 Miss and had a reasonable basis for treating the worker as an independent contractor.
And as we hear elsewhere on this month's program, there is often disagreement between the IRS and a taxpayer over what is considered reasonable.
Reasonable basis can be established by relying on one of 3 categories, and the first is judicial precedent, published rulings, technical advice with respect to the taxpayer, or a letter ruling to the taxpayer. The second category is past IRS audit of the taxpayer in which there was no assessment attributable to the treatment of individuals, including holding substantially similar positions for employment tax purposes. And the third category is a long-standing, recognized practice of a significant segment of the industry in which an individual was engaged.